Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back at it again with another foundation review. Huda dropped this foundation out of nowhere and your girl had to pick it up. Alright, so this is what the foundation looks like. I haven't even opened it. So this comes in 39 shades and it's supposed to be a revamp, an improvement to her original full filter foundation. So this is called the FauxFilter Luminous Matte. Talk about an oxymoron, right? Luminous Matte. So this retails for $40. Like I said, there's 39 shades. I went in store to purchase mine, and the colors to me are a little different from the original because I originally had mocha and cinnamon. Cinnamon in this new formulation is light, too light, and mocha, after it dried on my hand, I was gonna pick up mocha after it dried on my hand, it just looked olive. So I settled for nutmeg, and nutmeg is deeper tan skin with a golden undertone. I swatched it in store. I hated the lights in Sephora. Everything was looking a little bit more yellow than usual, but nutmeg to me was the better match. All right, so cult favorite, fragrance free. She took the fragrance out, thank God. That fragrance was just pungent. With full coverage up to 24 hours of wear with a luminous matte finish. The coverage is full. So this blendable full coverage formula is fragrance free, transfer proof, waterproof, fade proof, and sweat and humidity proof, and offers up to 24 hours of wear. Essentially, this foundation is your new BFF. No matter the weather, occasion, or situation, FauxFilter Luminous Matte won't let you down. Wow. Those are some lofty, lofty claims. Whatever else the foundation claims to do, I am going to have it down in the description box. The shade range is not bad. There are quite a few deep shades in here, golden shades, but I notice her foundations to me tend to be a little olive. All right, let's get into it. Comes in HudaBeauty packaging, which I love. Like I said, I have the shade Nutmeg. I swatched it in store, so I didn't really care to open it. I figured I would open it on camera. Looks exactly, the packaging of the bottle looks exactly hard plastic like the original packaging. So she didn't change the packaging, she only changed the formula. I feel like I've been doing so many foundation reviews and I purchased even more foundations. Hopefully I do review on those too. All right. So I have moisturizer on and I primed my new Ilia primer. I love this. I've got it recently and I've really been loving it. So I primed with this and I also color corrected. If you're here for the first time, like I always say, my general shade reference is MAC NC50, but I always list all my comparable foundation shades down in the description box. So don't forget to look just in case you are curious. It comes with a pump. So let's see. And you know when it's new, you have to pump a lot to get it out. All right, so this is what Nutmeg looks like. Let me put it here. That was not a good swatch. Okay, so this is Nutmeg. Nice and golden. Feels very creamy, but still feels full coverage, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna put, so that was one pump, took forever to come out. So I'm gonna put this here, see if I need more. So this is supposed to be full coverage. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. sponge that I usually use to apply foundation, nothing new. All right, so let's start blending it out. Okay. This looks as though it dries down fast, or is it just me? Because I just put it, I adjusted my, I wanted to turn my ring light down a little. And it looked as though I had to work a little hard to blend it. Oh, wow. Super full coverage, but I love the match. I think it's a nice match. All right. So I put another pump and a half. I hope I don't need this much. I find initially like review a foundation, I always put a little bit more, I think, than I need. And then after I'm like, I don't need that much. All right. So I'm filming really early in the morning. Again, taking the opportunity to film when I can. And I have no natural light. I'm just using my the artificial lighting that I have here. All right. This is definitely full coverage. She was not kidding about that. And this is like a satin matte to me so far. So on my skin, like I said, to me it doesn't look luminous on my skin. It's just looking like a nice satin matte. But the coverage is full and it's super pretty on the skin. I feel that you have to work quickly with it. And when I swatched Nutmeg in store, I mean, I do love the undertone. It didn't look as light as it's looking right now, but it's matching my neck a little. It's a little darker than my neck, but it's matching a little bit. So I'm not getting luminous. To me, it's looking matte on me, but I have dry skin that has been extra dry in the winter, so maybe that's what it is. All right, so this is what it looks like, and I can't do my makeup on camera this morning because I have so much to do. I'll be here forever. So let's look at the time. It's now 7:03 a.m. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll come back with more thoughts. But right now I think it's really pretty, and it's giving me a nice soft matte, like a soft satin matte so far. All right guys, I am back with the rest of my makeup on, and this is super pretty, guys. But on me, my dry skin, at least so far, it's a very comfortable matte finish I'm getting, kind of similar to her original formula in my opinion. As you can see, it doesn't look luminous on me. I set it, of course, I always set my foundation. I set it with my Fenty powder in Hazelnut. I concealed with my Hourglass concealer, and I have the Fenty powder in Honey underneath my eyes. But it's pretty. And I remember the original, I think that smell and everything, and then I didn't wear it for a while. It got a little, like, I don't know if it went bad. But I remember that one being super pretty. And this one to me has like a similar feel. Like, it's no way lightweight. You can feel you're wearing foundation. It's nothing crazy. But it's not like a lightweight foundation. If you're a natural girl, this is not the foundation for you. It is super full coverage, as you can see. But it's pretty. It's a very, very pretty foundation. But on me, it's looking like a really soft, comfortable matte. But of course, I have to wear it throughout the day. All right, so the time now is 7:24 a.m. I put this on at 7:07, so 17 minutes ago. And this is how the foundation is looking so far. So I am going to go about my day, and then I'll come back for my final check-in as usual. And if you're new here, when I do a foundation review, I never touch up. So whatever the foundation is looking like, how many hours later, this is how, you know, I'm going to come back and do my review in that same condition. But so far, I do like it. It's super pretty. All right, I'll see you guys later for my final check-in. All right, guys, so I am back for my final check-in. It's now 7:02 p.m. I first put this on at about 7:09 a.m. So it's pretty much 12 hours that I have worn this foundation, and this is what the foundation looks like. I think it's super pretty, guys. And compared to the original foundation, to me, it doesn't look as mask-like. That foundation was like, when you put it on, it just had like, it was very heavy. That's the word. It was very heavy looking mask-like foundation, although it was pretty. This one looks a lot more natural. Now, I have oils. My oil is seeping through like around my nose area, like right in here. And like I said before, I don't touch up when I do a foundation review. And I think my laugh lines look pretty good. And that's always an area of concern. It did a great job there. I think overall, my skin looks super pretty. This is a very good foundation. I mean, her original foundation, minus the scent, was very pretty, although very like thick and heavy. This one is very full coverage as well. I don't think I need 2.5 pumps. The next time I use it, I probably only need 1.5 pumps to get a full face, but it looks really nice. I think it wore beautifully for 12 hours. Now, let's see if we, now that I'm on camera, I can put it like, I'll use this tissue to see if I can pick up some of the oil around my nose. Okay. She did say it wasn't transfer, it was transfer proof. It's not. You can see the foundation on the paper. So it's not transfer proof. Yeah, you can see the foundation on the paper. I hope you guys can see it because the paper is white. Okay. So considering 12 hours, oh yeah, definitely it's transferring. But for me, this finally touching up after 12 hours of wear, I think this looks amazing. It's a beautiful foundation. And I think what's so beautiful about this one compared to the original, it's more lifelike because it's a definite, it's like a soft velvet matte foundation. I don't think it's that luminous. I think it just got a little oily around like here, and my oils peek through, and I have highlighter on and stuff like that. I think it's definitely more of a soft, beautiful velvet matte. Matte. I would definitely recommend this foundation. I think I love this foundation. And I've been buying so many foundations lately. So, you know, my Ilia and then that Clé de Peau, how that looked around my mouth. It doesn't look as perfect as the Clé de Peau, but it's pretty close. I think my laugh lines really look nice. And I did get oily there. And I do have dry skin and my oils did peek through. But keep in mind, it's 12 hours of wear. But I think it looks really pretty. This is a very pretty foundation. I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. I am done. I cannot wait to take it off. I'm just done for the day. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.